Hi everybody, it is December 30th, 2015. This is Steve Olson, Wormwood Observer. This is part 2 in my series, The Jig is Up. Tonight we're going to talk about the planets and weird objects of Wormwood. I believe we're dealing with the star system, or systems, I can't tell yet, but there are other orbiting bodies as well. Let's start with the stereo ahead heliospheric satellite. This is a space view, so I'm going to use some amateur astronomy to talk about it. Right now, the stereo satellite is sitting in the L1 position, and the Earth is sitting here now. Something is showing up. Heliospheric stereo is this little blue thing that you see sometimes, and it gives you kind of a three-dimensional view of what's happening over to the side of the sun. The sun's over here. From December 25th to December 29th and now the 30th, we've been observing a very weird set of objects on this stereo sat. And I'll show you. It's these three objects here. Very kind of familiar configuration to those of us out there. And what's interesting is when you look at the difference between the 25th and the 28th, in this case, the object is moving from left to right, or objects are moving from left to right. This should be Venus, and this should be, I believe, Mars. Kind of remind you of something, guys? Does this remind you of something? So to look at the science of this, again, we're actually looking at the real, like the most up-to-date here position, and it's looking this way. It's seeing Venus and Mars, and it's seeing an object in between or behind, just behind those objects, like this, going out like this. So here's the Core 2 image from the 29th. Just I picked an image. The sun, if anybody's really watching it, if you watch Solar Observers, you'll find that the surface of the sun and the different conditions for CMEs, and you'll learn a lot of information. But if you look out at the Core 2, we've been looking at, it's been going crazy. There's been this object or something back in here that they keep occulting out. This is the actual size of the sun and the occulting layer that they put in there. So the sun is just going crazy, and it almost seems like a tendril of the sun is going down this way. So I wanted to extend that tendril by using the stereo head H1 and matching up these the same day. So the same day, about the same time, and so I was able to then geometrically measure those things out. So you can see, here's the sun, and here's Venus, and here's Mars, and here's that object, or objects. And then here's the one from before on the 25th, and as you can see, I tried to line it up to be aligned geometrically with the sun based on that position, and then what you see is the movement of these basically from left to right, left to right. Shocking photographs that I received on the 28th. These are from Oregon, I believe. These are photographs of the sun, and then basically with some filtering we were able to see the planets aligned such. This looks like to be some type of a body with a orbiting moon, or something. Some people think it's some kind of neutron star or something. I don't know. I'm still not sure what any of this stuff is, to be honest with you guys. I'm just reporting the facts as I see them. Again, here's that same kind of view, different like orientation, more of a landscape orientation. Very clear shot, shocking, just unbelievably shocking. And then